I think it is necessary for us to recognize that we stand up each time for the use of right language. Most often, without intending to be bad, without intending to be mean, without intending to hurt or harm, we come across language, both in formal engagement and in informal engagement, which are very patronizing, which don't recognize that implicit gender bias. It's said in humor, but that's the one which reinforces the mentality. And that is where I think in lighter tone, in softer tone, and sometimes where it is necessary in tough tones, we might have to make a conscious effort to say language of communication, both formal and informal, has to be gender sensitive. And I know what I'm sure all of you all know what I'm trying to arrive at. In every Indian language, आराम से बात आ जाता है कि महिला का रेफरेंस करते हुए लाइट हार्टेडली, जोकुलरली, हम भी उसमें हंसते हैं. मैं इस लड़ाई में एक विषय सामने रखना चाहती हूं कि ऐसे भाषावली का हम एनकरेज ना करें, उपयोग करना दूर, एनकरेज ना करें. That is what is going to make the mindset that we are conscious. अरे, oft quoted Hindi, I'm very poor in Hindi, but I use this opportunity. क्षमा करिए स्पीकर साहब. अरे मैं क्या चूड़ी पहन कर बैठा हूं क्या? I don't know in what way it is said. To say, do you think I don't have courage? That kind of an expression, I think each one of us will have to gently say, sorry, avoid it.
Women who have gathered here today are oft celebrated societally for strength, are oft celebrated societally for achievements. Not many look at the chip on our shoulders, a chip on which we falter at times publicly in social media, where we give back as strongly as we get from so-called trolls, but also an opportunity in the august house you preside over, sir, where irrespective of our political ideologies, we speak of issues that bring transformation in the lives of millions of women across the nation. It has been my proud privilege, and I'm sure the Finance Minister shares this expression, that we serve under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, who has shifted the narrative from women's development to women-led development. For too long, there was an assumption that we are waiting to be handed over our destiny. Now there is an affirmation that we lead change not only for ourselves, but other women across the country. It is with that pledge that we saw for the first time 22 crore women get access to a bank account. It is with that service that we saw a toilet built for over 10 crore women. It is with that that we are inspired to ensure that for the first time in the history of our national education policy, there was an amalgamation of the Gender Inclusion Fund. But let it be said, there is still the skies to touch. आसमान अभी भी छूना बाकी है, और कम से कम आज इस संकल्प को हम दोहरा सकते हैं कि उस ऊंची उड़ान में उड़ेंगे तो संग, नए लक्ष्यों को छुएंगे तो संग. भले ही हम अलग अलग राजनीतिक पक्षों से हैं, लेकिन ध्वज और संविधान हमारा एक है.